Yeah, snowstorm and a train. Yeah, she's a freight. Try to get a little higher here, I guess. Sounds like GP9s maybe. Ah. Tack it up, good old GP9s in the snowstorm. Yeah, daddy. Woo! Yeah, baby. Yep. I'm right here by also station 23, which unfortunately right now I can't even see. Just to move it a little bit. And there's a Mazda MX-3 that's always there.
Well, this is a nice start.
Yeah, man, a little local action, GP9 locomotives.
Time.
Yeah.
This is a
bunch of very Canadian cars, lots of no, CN, that's a CN line.
Oh, yeah.
And those are all hopper cars, by the way.
Yeah.
You know, we're usually filled with grain and stuff like that. I bought a fucking negative on eBay last year, and it was right on this corner. It was a streetcar, and I was able to determine by the design here of the overpass that it was right here. And it was a fucking streetcar. It was like late 50s.
Wow.
Yeah, very cool. Very groovy, baby. Yeah, be my eyes there.
Alright.
While I finish this up here. Oh my god, look at the graph. Damn, it's got a lot of cars, man. Huh. Oh, Ryan! I got you on film! Except it wasn't on film. Are you okay?
Damn it.
I wish I had gotten that. It's a good thing you're young. That's not funny when you're old, though. Hey, look at that Grand Trunk. Ooh, that's vintage.
Fuck. Yeah, it's a good thing I didn't land on my camera.
Yeah, seriously, better you land on your ass than your fucking camera,
Yeah.
that's for sure. You're right about that.
On the wall down there it says, more cops, more problems. Really?
What a surprise, eh?
Yeah.
No, there's more cops because there are more fucking problems. That's why. Jesus Christ. Well, that's one way to look at it, actually. Look at this. Here's another antique, another Grand Trunk. Speaking of which. Man, that's a long freight. There we go. I thought you'd be more concerned about not having any frickin' gloves. Et voila, there you go. The tourist way. Bye.